Hi everyone, Ravi this side. Welcome to EnggAdda. So in the previous video we discussed about the routing, how we can implement routing in our React application. And in this video we are going to develop the add product page. Okay, so let's get started for that. So let me go to the Visual Studio Code and then this is the application that we have created. We have implemented the routing for it and we have as of now we have only one component which is list products. We have two other component as well, footer and header, which is like we have not written any business logic in that. So as of now we have only one main component which is list products. Okay, so let me try to run this application and then show you how it is working. So I think it is up, and let me go to the browser. Let me try to access it locally. So you can see our application is up, and we are also able to fetch the details from the backend as well. So as of now we have only two records. Okay, so let me try to go to the Visual Studio Code, and here inside the component folders let me try to create one component called add product. Okay, .jsx, and with the help of this React snippet we can directly create our React class component. Let me try to cut it from here and export it here. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to initialize the constructor here. So let's say constructor props super props, and let me try to remove this, and let me try to provide the state as well. So this dot state. Okay, so we are good now. So what we did, we have created one add product component, and it is simply returning one uh, message called add product. Okay, so let me try to copy this add product, or let me try to go to the app.js file and let me create one more route for the add product. Okay, so just copy the above one, paste it down, and let's say what should be the URL. Let's say the URL is add product. Okay, and when we are hitting this URL, then it should be calling the add product component for us. Okay, so just save this, come here to the add product, save it. Okay, now go to the browser, and the application is up locally on the port number 3000, and go to the add product. Okay, just hit enter. You can see we are able to see this add product text which is coming from the add product component. Okay, now let me go there. So what I want to, okay, let me go to the front page, let me go to the home page. So here what I want to do, I just want to create one button. Okay, so clicking on that button, we will go to the add product page. Okay, and then that add product page should be having one form where we need to fill the product details, and then once we'll click on the submit, then it will call the post API, and then it will store those data into the database. Okay, so that is the flow for this add product page, add product component. Okay, so let me create the button here that will be calling the add product page. Okay, so go to the Visual Studio Code and go to the list product, which is the home component for us. Okay, so here let me try to create one button. So let's say let me go to the down, come out of the table. Let's say we are going to create one button here. Okay, so button type is this, and class is this. Okay, Let me try to remove this and then see what it is suggesting. So create button here. Okay. Okay, let's say. So let me try to create one button here. So let's say I'm going to create one button here. So let's say the tag for button is button, and let me try to close the button here. Okay, I will explain you what is we are going to do in the button. So we have created one button here. Okay, button class name is button primary. Okay, and but whenever we are going to click on this button, it will trigger one event. Okay, and then we need to handle that event. Okay, so what we want to do from that event, I will try to explain you. Okay, so let's say the button name is add product. Okay, so when we are going to click on the button, it will uh, it will navigate us to the add product page. So for that I'm going to create one method here. So let's say the method name is add product. Okay, so this dot add product. Okay, so this is our button. Let me try to save it and go to the browser. You can see add product button. So when you will click on this button, nothing is happening right now, but what will happen in the future, when you will click on this button, it will navigate us to the add product page. So let me go there. So we have created this button and we have one event called add product. So first of all, we need to initialize this event. So let me go to the constructor and we need to bind this event. So what we need to do, we need to we need to bind this dot add product. Okay, is equal to add product dot bind this. So we need to bind the event here. So we bind it out. Now what we need to do, we need to create one method here, and inside the method what will do, it will try to call the add product page. Okay, so let me try to copy this, come here, and let's say method name is this, and what it is happening. So whenever we are clicking on this button, it will try to call this event add product, and add product will route us to the add product component. Okay, so how it will do, so there is a property from the route which is history. Using that we'll try to route our page to the add product. Okay, so you can see this. So this dot props dot history dot push. Okay, so let me go to the app.js, and here you can see we have configured the route. So route has one features where it will store all the URLs in history. Okay, and it will pass that history to the props. So you can come here to the list product. I will show you. So using this props with in the props we have the history. Using that history, we are pushing this add product page. Okay, so whenever someone is clicking on this button, it will trigger this event, and event this event is finally triggering the or navigating us to the add product page. Okay, so just save this. Let me try to match the URL. So the URL is add product, and in the list product, in this method we have the add product only. Okay, so just save it. Now go to the browser and just click on it. So you can see while clicking on it, we are going to the add product page. In the coming video, I will try to show you how you can create the form in the add product so that we can add any product in our database. So this is about the video, guys. If you like the video, please hit the like button and please subscribe the channel for more such content.